Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme Corpus increased by 50,000 crores. The Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Wednesday approved a proposal to enhance the limit of the Emergency Credit Line Guarantee Scheme by 50,000 crores, that is, from 4.5 lakh crores to 5 lakh crores. The additional amount will be earmarked exclusively for enterprises in hospitality and tourism sectors till the validity of the scheme, which is 31st March 2023. The increase has been done on account of the severe disruptions caused by COVID-19 pandemic on hospitality and related enterprises. With high immunization levels, progressive rollback of restrictions and overall economic recovery, conditions are in place for sustained growth in demand for these sectors as well. This additional guarantee cover is expected to support the recovery of these sectors, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said. Jetstar and Indigo partnership goes live. Jetstar customers in Singapore and Southeast Asia have more options to book low-cost direct flights and connections to India as the virtual interline partnership between Jetstar and Indian low-cost carrier Indigo goes live. As demand for air travel continues to recover, Jetstar customers looking for low-cost travel options can now access Indigo's low fares from Jetstar's hub in Singapore to key Indian destinations including Bangalore, Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai and New Delhi. Po Tiong Seng, commercial lead Jetstar Asia, said this announcement is a significant milestone for Jetstar as we continue to expand our network via Singapore's Shanghai airport through our partnership with Indigo. American Airlines is once again cutting its flight schedule, slashing 16% or 31,000 flights during November, according to data from Cirium, an aviation analytics company. The airline said the move is in line with our approach to network and schedule planning throughout the year. They call the changes proactive adjustments in order to size our airline for the resources we have available and to build additional buffer into the remainder of our summer schedule. Schedule data provided by Cirium shows the largest cuts are between Chicago O'Hare and Dallas Fort Worth, as well as between Boston and Philadelphia, most affected being the Boston routes, with American cutting 109 flights from Boston to Philly and 42 from Boston to Miami. Tanzania installs internet on Mount Kilimanjaro, enables visitors to tweet, Instagram and WhatsApp. State-owned Tanzania Telecommunications Corporation set up the broadband network recently at an altitude of 3,720 meters, with the Information Minister Nape Nayum calling this an historic event. Previously, it was a bit dangerous for visitors and porters who had to operate without internet, he said at the launch of the service, flanked by government officials and tourists. He also added that the summit of 5,895 meters mountain have internet connectivity by the end of the year. Mount Kilimanjaro is an important source of tourism revenue in Tanzania and neighboring Kenya, with around 35,000 people attempting to summit each year.